When your Apple ID is not active, which could be caused by logging in from a different location, the system detecting unusual activities, or using a second-hand iPhone signed in with the previous owner's Apple ID, you're required to verify your identity. However, you keep entering the wrong Apple ID password, which also disables you from using the full functions of your iPhone. No worries. In today's video, I'll show you 3 methods on how to fix the Apple ID is not active. Let's dive in. Method 1. Fix Apple ID using AnyUnlock. The easiest way to fix this Apple ID is not active is to use the comprehensive unlocking tool, AnyUnlock. No matter whether you seek to get rid of someone else's Apple ID on your iPhone or you forget your own Apple ID and password, it can help you remove your Apple ID without the password effectively. Besides, it can bypass the iPhone screen passcode, bypass MDM, remove the screen time passcode, and so on. Now, let us fix the Apple ID is not active step by step. Step 1. Free download AnyUnlock and open it on your PC/Mac. Step 2. Select Unlock Apple ID and click Start Now. Step 3. Connect your iPhone to your computer using a USB cable and click Unlock Now. Step 4. AnyUnlock will remove the Apple ID from the iPhone automatically. Please do not disconnect your device until it restarts. Step 5. When the removal process is completed, this Apple ID is not active has been fixed. Method 2. Fix Apple ID without a computer. If you remember the lock screen password of your iPhone, you can reset your Apple ID password. Just select the Forgot Password option, and then enter the device password to verify it. This will change the Apple ID password. Next, you can sign out of your Apple ID. If there is no Forgot Password option, then you can open Settings. Tap on the Apple ID account in Settings, then select Sign In and Security. Here you can change the Apple ID password. If your device doesn't have a lock screen passcode set, you'll need to complete 2-step verification to change your password. Method 3. Fix Apple ID via iTunes. If you don't turn on the Find My iPhone feature, you can try this method. But if you don't satisfy this condition, this method won't suit you. Step 1. Install the latest version of iTunes on your computer and open it. Step 2. Use a USB cable to connect the locked iPhone to the computer, and wait for iTunes to recognize the device. Step 3. Select your device and click the Restore iPhone option. Step 4. iTunes will start downloading and installing the latest iOS version suitable for the device. Please be patient and wait for the restoration process to finish. Step 5. After the restoration is complete, you can reset your iPhone, and the Apple ID is not active has been fixed. Hope you can solve the issue by following the methods provided in this video. If you like it, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment below. See you next time.